So we're going to hit this and see how well we do here. Alright, so in terms of these questions, hopefully that focus is pretty good. It's just kind of printed kind of weird. So it says to solve the system using any method. Now that's one thing I'm not going to be able to check on you guys, and I'm not going to be that particular on the method that you use to solve something in terms of a system. I do have some questions in which it'll kind of guarantee which way I need you to solve. So just as an FYI, some of those things you'll be able to show me enough. Now, so we have this equation, y is equal to 7/8x plus 3, and then this equation that is 8y minus 7x is equal to 24. And you can either use addition or elimination, which is addition, or substitution. Okay? So there is a couple ways, like I said, that you are allowed to hit these. Okay? If you see this and you see substitution, okay, you could use substitution, plug it in there. Okay, put y in, and if I did that, if that's one way you want to do this, minus 7x is equal to 24, distribute, that'll be 7x plus 24 minus 7x is equal to 24, and when you combine everything you'll get 0 is equal to 0, which means this statement's true every time, which means these are the same line. Okay? If they're the same line, okay, that is not inconsistent. Inconsistent is when they are parallel. These are not parallel. Okay? These two answers are when they intersect, so that's not those two. So the equation when it's dependent, this is when they're the same line. And the way we write this, and the teacher wrote this as an x comma y. You can also write this as x slash, and then where do we get this part of the y value? Is the slope-intercept form of the equation. And both of these would have that same equation. If you solve the second one for y, you get this same equation. And that's why this one is my answer. Okay? So, using that same idea, if you look at this one, okay, again I can use substitution, I can use elimination. In this case, I mean, I would use substitution just because it makes sense, okay? If or you can multiply everything by 2 and put everything in the same section. So you got a lot of different options, okay? If you decide to use substitution because it looks like it can deal with some good substitution, okay, you could distribute, which would be 3/2 x minus 10 is equal to, oops, hold on a second, there should be a 7 right there. So I distribute 9x plus 21 over 2x minus 70 is equal to 47. Okay. You could, because that would be this into here. Okay. Hold on a second. Serious? Hold on a second. I got to answer this. It's Coach Barrett.